Back in 2015, we created JE Mechanical with hard work and dedication. Our goal has always been to provide the best HVAC services to all commercial and multifamily projects across the state of Georgia, always embracing our team values, professionalism, trust, skills, and commitment. At JE Mechanical, we provide quality service installations and repairs for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning to our corporate clients. Our team is constantly training to perform with excellence, providing outstanding results and always going the extra mile for our customers' satisfaction. Our clients prefer JE Mechanical because our jobs are always well performed with the highest standards in safety, technology, and experience. Time efficiency, the best estimated project costs, competitive pricing, and professional certifications makes us the perfect fit for you. We enjoy our success stories. Every client is one of them. And at JE Mechanical, we make the weather more comfortable for all of us. www.jemechanical.com